there is competition between Mayeni and Macele. Macele forced Musamseleku to take the wife number 5 because if he doesn't take the wife number 5, he is failing to have Istanbul polygamy. As he told Macele at the first time that he want to have polygamy, Macele was not agreed with Musamseleku, but she end up agreed with Musamseleku's decision because he forces. But now Mayeni is on Musamseleku's life. Mayeni says, no, you can't take the wife number 5. What? I will take my bags and my kids and leave. So Musamseleku doesn't know what to do because Mayeni was threatening Musamseleku. Musamseleku told Makumalo that it's better to force things because to Mayeni, if you don't force things, Mayeni doesn't listen to anyone. So now Makwela is in Musamseleku's life. Mayeni want to leave Musamseleku at the first time. We saw it on season 8 as what she said, but Musamseleku was ended up admitted at hospital. That's why Musamseleku is delaying to bring Makwela in Musumbe. At other side is Macele because Macele is angry. Why you don't want to bring Makwela? You delay to bring Makwela. But when it comes to other wives, Mangwabe, Makumalo, and Mayeni, you bring them by force. Why now you want to tolerate to Mayeni, or you already know that Mayeni was the first wife? Because it looks like Musamseleku, he is tolerating Mayeni more than Macele. It's competition between the two of them. Mayeni want to play the role of the first wife because if she want to play the role of the first wife, Mayeni have to agree to get married to Musamseleku at the first time and say, yes, you can have Istanbul. But Mayeni doesn't agree with the Musamseleku's decision. That's why they separated at the first time. Mayeni decided to come back again on Musamseleku's life as the second wife because Mayeni knows that Macele is the first wife. But now Mayeni is expecting Musamseleku to understand her more than Macele. That's why Musamseleku decide to take Macele's side because Musamseleku saw that Macele understand her. It's better to take Macele's side than to take Mayeni's side because Mayeni, she doesn't understand everything. She is going opposite to Musamseleku. But Macele understand than Mayeni. So that's why Musamsele could decide to give Macele more attention than Mayeni. It's not about yet Mayeni. Musamsele loves Mayeni because Mayeni doesn't support Musamsele. Even the way he told Mayeni on season 8, it was true. People, we don't want to hear the truth on our heads. We can start blaming Musamseleku and Macele that Musamseleku was so disrespectful. Yes, Musamseleku, there is some of the words he said about Macele he was not supposed to say at the table in front of other wives. It was wrong, those words he said to Mayeni. It was wrong, but other words he said to Mayeni, you don't even support me. It was true because Mayeni want to bring her own rules on Istanbul and Macele want to bring her own rules. So you don't understand between the two of them. But Macele doesn't being tough to Musamseleku than Mayeni because Mayeni, she is so tough to Musamseleku like you don't understand here. Even she want to play a role as a first wife. Mayeni was Musamseleku's first girlfriend. But it doesn't mean that she have power to control everyone because there is nothing Mayeni we can point that she supporting Musamseleku. Everything Musamseleku is doing was to force, even the way he bring Mangwabe and bring Makumalu was force only. They didn't agree, the two of them, with Mayeni. That's why Musamseleku supposed took Macele said every time he can tell Macele every time than with Mayeni because he saw that when he discussed some of the issues with Mayeni, he is wasting his time. So it's better to discuss with Macele. Macele can understand better than Mayeni what I saw.